again, I am back for an addition to my previous tutorial that I just posted a few days ago, and it is my decorative surgical mask cover. Wow, what a controversy. Some people love it, some people hate it, but I knew posting it that would be the case. We are all super stressed and super nervous right now, so give people a break and just let's open the discussion and just reaffirm that it is not such a serious tutorial. It is not to be taken that seriously. It was not to be taken that seriously. And it is your choice to, of course, wear one, not wear one. We are all adults, we are all smart, and we can make our own decisions. As I repeat again, you know, this is just a decoration to put over the mask, the surgical mask that you have, if you decide to do so, or if you want to just have fun with it. It shouldn't be worn for a long time. And also, somebody gave me an amazing idea. I can't remember your name. If I find it, I will put it there. But you said that I would be super good to just put in when you're supposed to go in and see a child that is in the hospital, and it can be so intimidated for kids to see everybody with those masks. So maybe if it is extra clean and if it is really out of the wash, you can put it temporarily on the mask to look at the child and make them feel a little better, seeing something a little silly. And that gave me that idea. You gave me the idea to just do these crochet lips today that you could actually sew on your mask. I will show you how to make a crochet lip. Anyway, you could use it for the mask, you could use it for anything you want, but I thought it would be adorable to make the mask a little sillier for kids to look at, or for people in general to look at. So today is just a super quick, easy crochet lip to make that you could either add to your mask or not. But this is the mask with the lips, and I think it's pretty funny. All right, and that is part of my effort to entertain you and post as many crochet tutorial as I will be able to in the next few weeks. We will stay connected, we will stay healthy, and we will support each other. In the meantime, happy crochet, and I will see you soon for another video. Stay healthy. Bye. So this is what we're creating today, those beautiful lips, very kissable. And you can use it for your mask or as an applique to any other thing you would like to. All right, so take your 4mm crochet hook and a little bit of a Comfort DK yarn of your choice. I chose the color red. You need very little of it. So make a slip knot and then proceed by chaining 16. So to create those juicy lips, we're going to work on both sides of our chain. We're going to begin working regularly on the chain. Once you have 16 chains, you're going to, in the second chain from your hook, make a single crochet. In the next chain, make a half double crochet. And in the next, make a double crochet. Then you're going to make a treble crochet, which is yarn over twice, and then going to the stitch, yarn over and back, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops, and yarn over through 2 loops. That's a treble. And then you're going to make a double treble. There you do the same thing, but you yarn over 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, you're going to yarn over through 2 loops 4 times this time. And you're going to repeat, making another double treble crochet in the same stitch. So you made 2 double treble crochet in the same stitch. We're creating the curve of your upper lips. Make another double treble crochet in the next stitch. And in the next stitch, you're going to make a double crochet. We're creating the Cupid's bow right now. Make a half double crochet. That's your Cupid's bow. And now, in the next one, you're going to make a double crochet. And we're on the other side of your Cupid's bow. You're going to make a treble in the next stitch. And then you're going to make a double treble in the next stitch. You're actually going to make 2 double trebles in that same next stitch. Ooh, so cute. In the next chain, make a treble. And then make a double crochet in the next chain, a half double crochet in the next, and finish your row by making a single crochet in the last chain. Now we're not going to turn our work around, we're going to work on the other side of the chain, opposite of what we work now. In that same chain you made your single crochet, make a single crochet, and then we're going to work to the bottom of the stitches you just created. In the next little stitch on the opposite side of your half double crochet, you're going to make a half double crochet. So really it's at the bottom of the half double crochet we had made. Then make a double crochet. We're going to create the bottom of your lips. In the next one, make a double crochet again. Make a treble in the next. And another treble in the next stitch. Now in the next stitch you are going to make a double treble stitch. And now in the next stitch you are going to make 3 double trebles, but in the same stitch. Should be the widest part of the bottom of your lips, right below the cupid bow, to make them look extra juicy. Alright, so 3 double treble crochets in the same stitch, and in the next stitch you're going to make a treble, and then in the next another treble, and another treble, and then a double crochet, another double crochet, a half double crochet, and you're going to end your lips with a single crochet. And that is it. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? You just created an applique lip, and then you do whatever you want with it. You can put it on your mask like I did. You could put this on backpacks, hats, gloves, bag, whatever you want, jeans. I am going to sew it with a tapestry needle, making sure that it's in the middle of my mask and counting the same amount of stitches on one side of my lip than on the other. I used a stitch marker to secure it and to make sure that it doesn't move. And then I took 1 string of white yarn that I ran in the middle of my mouth, right like so, to create a smile and the illusion of teeth. And voila! This is it, my friends. And here we go. We have a fun looking decoration for your surgical mask. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial as much as I have enjoyed creating it for you, and I'm looking forward to many more tutorials. Stay healthy. See you soon. Happy crochet. Love you. Bye.